If we believe celebrities and wellness gurus like Gwyneth Paltrow, juicing solves all our health problems. And if you don't subscribe to the Goop newsletter, you might think of juicing as a risky and misunderstood crash diet that doesn't help your body at all. Whichever side you're on, you're only getting half of the story. When did we start using juice as a health tonic? Is there a recipe for it in the Dead Sea Scrolls from the 3rd century, by chance? Did a doctor in India first prescribe juice 3,000 years ago? Or did scurvy prompt the use of juice in the Elizabethan era? And how did juicing get so popular? Today, we're squeezing everything we can out of the history of juicing. If you want to dive even deeper after, check out Your Body On's video to find out what juice does to your body. Juicing as a health practice gained popularity in the U.S. when David Otto opened his juice bar, the Beverly Hills Juice Club, in 1975. He believes that juice can clear your skin, rid your body of toxins, and heal all sorts of ailments. Do you have a problem? There's a juice for that. To be clear, we don't mean mass-produced commercial products. We're talking about cold-pressed vegetable and fruit juices without added sugars, and they probably taste a little like grass. While it might sound like New Age hippie stuff, juicing has been around for millennia. In the 16th century, doctors often prescribed the juices of certain fruits and vegetables. People drank lime and lemon juices to help fight off scurvy. Now we know a severe vitamin C deficiency causes it. And we can trace juicing back even further. In India, a medical practitioner named Charaka recommended using juice about 3,000 years ago. He had juice recipes for many health issues. He even claimed that certain vegetables like cabbage, celery, and beets should be used solely as medicine and not food. Charaka might have been ahead of his time, but he wasn't the first to drink juice for medical reasons. The first juice recipe is recorded in the Dead Sea Scrolls, written in the 3rd century. It describes a recipe of mashed pomegranate and fig and claims the drinker will gain profound strength and subtle form.
Ooh.
Now, juicing is a staple of the multi-billion-dollar wellness industry. When celebrities got involved, the entire industry ramped up, and juicing became the mega fad that you know today. From the Master Cleanse to Beyoncé to Moon Juice in Los Angeles, juicing became a craze for health-conscious people with money to spare. Because juicing isn't cheap, some cleanses can cost hundreds of dollars a week. While it's true that fruits and vegetables contain essential nutrients, the industry went overboard in claiming that juice could cure almost every health problem. The juicing industry contributed to an unhealthy diet culture by recommending people drink only juice for days or weeks. Fortunately, we now understand that our bodies require food. It's safe to drink juice as a healthy add-on rather than a meal replacement. So, whether you believe in juicing as a cure-all or don't buy into the hype, it turns out that there's a lot more to juice than just a celebrity fad. What do you think? Tell us in the comments. Juice isn't the only trendy food that can cost you. Gold leaf is added to all sorts of food as a status symbol. But is it worth it? Find out on another episode of Origins of Food.